Alright, we've got it out here. We got the arm of Vorteks out here, 1/10 scale. We got the speedometer mounted on it. Yep. We're going to put the body down on it. We got the grandson here. We're going to give this thing a speed test. I just set up for maximum speed. Okay, don't worry about the numbers down here. That right there is what we got to be concerned with. So anyways, we got that one. And we got the Casey Curry out here too. We're going to test these things out and see exactly what they're going to be like. Wish us luck. Yeah. Okie dokie, we got silence at the wheel here. We got the Vorteks out here and 75% to start with.
Yes.
Alright, here we go then. See if I can keep up with him. Alright. Woohoo! Yes. That was wide open at 75%. Heck yeah. I'm going to pause the video and take the body off real quick. And that says 36 miles an hour. And that is on 75% driver feed. Alright. Heck yeah. This is going to show the max all the time. So if we go faster than that, then we'll be able to deal with it. It'll show it to us. Okie dokie. Let's run her back down there and hit 100%. So
Okay.
Yeah, she was getting it. I think that was maxed out wide open, don't you?
Yep.
A good place to test for speed. Bring her in and we'll see what she does here. See what it says. It's 36 at 75%, fresh Zeee 3S LiPo battery. And here, only 47.4% miles per hour. That is miles per hour, 47.4. Well, I guess we need to bash it a little bit. What do you think?
Yes.
Turn her back down there to 75%.
75.
And take her over. All right. See if it catches some air here at 75%. He's backing up. Here we go.
2, 1.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Well. See what he does again. He toned her down a little bit that time, I do believe. All right. There we go. Ho, 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 ho. Heck yeah. Are you trying to hit me or what?
No.
Then why do you keep coming to me, bud? He's trying to hit me. I think he's trying to. You are trying to hit Papaw with that truck. You keep aiming right at me. Get it. Shoot ya. Oops, I think I lost the truck. I'm watching him. Well guys, stay tuned. We're getting ready to run this Casey Curry. So here we go with Casey Curry. Vroom. That is the Arma Vorteks. That is a 223 with the new controller system. Hook it up. We got the Casey Curry. I think we got it dialed in to where I can drive it. One-handed kind of thing going on. That's at 75%. And ABC turned up a little bit. Yes. Bring in this Casey Curry and see what it reads. That is on a 3S, same battery, LiPo. 26.9. Alright, we're going to kick her up to 100%. Boink. Lord, yes. Might be a handful. She about bit out on me there. That torque twist. Oh, dude, ouch. There went the Casey Curry. Hopefully I didn't hurt it. I do have to admit, I hit it. I don't think I broke it. I did disconnect the light though right there. That ain't bad. That's at 100%. This thing is squirrely. And this is setting at 75% with this Casey Curry. I'm hoping I'm catching this. I'm trying to do this one-handed and video too. Okay, let's turn that way. Alright. Casey Curry on the move here. Oh yeah. Alright guys and girls, I hope y'all enjoyed that video. Hey, I just can't get the video of the Casey Curry with me out here running it. For some reason my hand is not wanting to control the camera and the truck. So, anyways, what do you think about it?
I love it.
Is it cool?
Yes.
Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Alright, so we're going to do some fun running here without video. That way I can have fun. Y'all peace out. Stay safe. Play healthy. Hey, blessings from the Great Smoky Mountains in East Tennessee. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.